All this money to be made, wanna be paid, how could I not? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, how could I stop? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, how could I watch? All this money to be made, I'm making plays, I'm on the clock. Yeah, I'm making plays, I'm on the clock.
Hello everybody, it's Nate and Everyday I'm Hustling, and today I wanted to give you guys just a little driving to work, little tidbit information to help your sales or to give you a better chance to increase your sales. Recently I learned that you can have flat rate shipping to Canada and to the rest of the world by using Pirate Ship. The person that I've heard this from was from Lonnie. He's a YouTuber as well. His name is Garage Flips. I'm sure you guys have heard of him. And he passed that information along to me and a bunch of other people on his channel. And it was actually in the chat that we were in when I heard about the information. So fourth quarter is always the time of year that you should or probably will make the most of your sales and stuff like that. And one way to increase that is to increase your audience or people that you can sell merchandise or product to. So this year, I feel that even with me doing limited on eBay, because Amazon is the biggest piece of my business model, just adding that to my eBay should increase some of my sales as well, or give me a better chance to make more sales. I recently started doing that on my newer products that I've been listing. I haven't sold anything yet, but I haven't increased it on my whole store. It's a little hard to add to. You really can't do like a bulk edit unless you really know all the weights to all your products without going in and you can go in and do it one by one, but it definitely would take some time. That's something that I'm just going to have to do on at least a lot of my lighter items first, and then just keep editing some other ones and stuff like that one by one, and then adding the heavier ones last, because the heavier it are, the more shipping it's going to cost. And they do it by weight through Pirate Ship. And I think for Canada, I'm pretty sure it's $7.95 for like a half pound, $9.95 for anything under a pound, and then I think it goes to I think it's $11.95 and then $14.95 for 2 and 3 pound, I believe. Don't quote me, but I'll leave a link in the description for Lonnie's channel for Pirate Ship, and I believe there's a link that I have that will show the rates for, there'll be one for Canada and then there'll be one for the rest of the world. Do the UK, Australia, Canada, and so I don't do like Japan, China, Brazil. I haven't picked Russia, but I might be adding them to it. Now I do still have the global shipping program clicked on those items as well, so it just gives them a bunch of different options to choose from, because maybe they want global shipping. I know it's a lot more, but I don't know why they would want it, but I'm just leaving it up anyway, just in case there's a country that is added to the global shipping and I don't choose that area for me sending the product out or whatever. Now, the one thing that I do definitely recommend, if you are going to do the global shipping, I mean not global shipping, but the flat rate through pirate ship, definitely buy the insurance. This way, no matter what happens to that package, if the person says they didn't get it or whatever the case may be, you're still covered through that, and you won't have a giant loss. Or I guess it also depends on what the price of the item is too. You might not want to do it on a $20 item or whatever, but I know with me, I just added in the price, and I think it's $1.95 cost, so I just add that in the price. So basically, if it costs $7.95 for a half-pound package to go to Canada, or $9.99, I charge just an extra $2 on top of the initial cost for that or whatever. That's another reason why I don't do free shipping. I do everything on top, because it just makes it easier for those items. I think I have a better shot at selling those items to everyone in for Canada or whatever, because some of that initial shipping isn't built into the cost, so it will make my prices more competitive for that or whatever. So this is going to be the first one of many things that I'm going to start doing, these on the work car vlogs, just some information or different things to talk about, and or possible things that you want to add to your business, or whatever. I don't know if I'll do these every day, or maybe it just depends on how much information that I think is a good topic or whatever. If there is something, sorry for the bumps, guys, my Joby action cam that I had, I got in my car, hooked up my camera, the little ball that connects to the suction cup to my window, it started falling apart, so that won't be in for another 2 days. But so I had to use my cell phone thing that I have for my window. So if you're bouncing around, I'm sorry. But yeah, we're gonna do this a couple times a week at least. Just talk about different things, and different ways maybe, or things that save you money, or maybe can increase your business, or just a general chat to just talk about things that are going on in the reseller world. And I didn't post any videos this weekend. I went to some garage sales with Anthony. I forgot one of the pieces for my camera to connect to my backpack strap, and I tried to use the handheld, and I just haven't went through that video yet. Work's been kicking my butt lately, so I'll probably try and still put that video out. It's just going to be a little bit delayed. So I'm trying to be able to bring you guys, different content, and different things to think about, and possibly add to your business to, give you a better chance to have the best fourth quarter than maybe you have in years, or maybe this is your first fourth quarter and you have no idea what to expect. But it's definitely a fun time to be a reseller, unless you're selling so much that it can overwhelm you. So if you do see that, you know, you're shipping just so much stuff and you're just like overwhelmed, you can always just add an extra day to your handling time to give you a better shot at, you know, hitting those numbers and time frame for the customer and stuff like that. So yeah, I just wanted to bring up the international flat rate. It's an awesome program. I'm really happy that Lonnie made a video and talked to us about it and told me about it in that chat, because it's something I'm definitely looking to add this year, and to increase my sales. Because let's face it, the more times that your products are in front of somebody's face or they see them, the better probability that you're going to have to make a sale or more sales. So, you know, promoted listings is another thing that you can do. I just do 1% on all my items. If you really think about it, say it's a $40 item that you're selling, I'd rather pay an extra 40 cents and have that item sold by them clicking on it to sell that item faster, or be guaranteed to be you know, in that first string of listings, than to be buried you know, under a bunch of listings. Sometimes, depending on what you're selling, you might not need to do that. You might be one of the only people that, or one of the few people that are selling an item, but I just do it across the board. Like I said, like, even if it's a $100 item, it's $1. You know, it's not gonna kill me at all by, you know, giving out that $1 to eBay. And if they're pushing my product, you know, through Google or whatever the case is, and they really want to make that buck, by all means, I'll give it to them. So, alright guys, I'm almost at my post office. I'm dropping off a package for Kelly, Hip Flip Mama, and she's getting a box of those boxing magazines. If you were watching on Saturday, that I was showing, that I got from the garage sale, so I'm shipping those out to her. So she might even get those tomorrow, because she's not too far from Pennsylvania. So with it being shipped priority and it going out today, and you know, it's about 1 o'clock Monday, yeah, she might get it tomorrow. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget, get that money. See you later.
All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I not? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I stop? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I watch? All this money to be made, I'm making plays, I'm on the clock. Yeah.